Usually after our vacation, the first thing we always do is unload and start loading our clothes in the washing machine. Good morning, everyone. Carmina found something new at the French baker. It is a cookie Danish. Have you tried this before? It's something new that I've never seen in French baker. This is how it looks like inside when you slice it up, so you have an idea. I have something for you. Remember long time ago you're asking for air fried chicken?
Oh, wow.
So that's what I cooked for you. That's your meal today.
Thank you so much. This is good.
Here's the food, you guys.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Carmina.
So what do you want? Do you want ketchup, sweet chili sauce, or barbecue sauce?
Ketchup na lang.
Okay.
Ketchup will do.
All right.
Thank you so much.
I need a drink for Becky to try. So Becky's going to buy a phone for me. That used to be Mom Violi's phone before. So she's testing it out if she's going to get it or not.
Uy, I'm getting it.
Becky's reading her promissory note before she purchased the phone from me.
With big fonts.
Yes, so you can read it.
At least I have a good phone with me already.
Yeah.
We're good. Nasaan na yung ballpen?
Okay, I'll let you sign it. That's your life.
Yeah.
It's like you're buying a house, but you're buying a cell phone.
At least dependable not with this, the other one.
Yeah, because you don't trust other people. You trust Carmina.
Yes. How's the pictures of this one?
It's
Okay
clear.
naman?
Yeah, it's clear. Okay. Wait, I'll get the pen.
Okay.
Okay, on the right hand side is the old phone of Becky, and the left side is the one that she already signed to purchase. Okay, I took out the 2 SIM cards and the SD memory card going to transfer to the new phone. We'll format the SD card before transferring to the new phone. I already format the SD card, but she downgraded because the other one is corrupted, so I gave her 16 gigabytes. And these are her SIM card. Now we'll put it on the phone. So Becky's making a Samsung account since she doesn't have one on the phone. Becky will take a picture of herself on her phone. She'll do a selfie on herself. Smile. This is from Pizza Telefono. And this is the pepperoni pizza that someone gave to me. And we're going to eat this for our dinner with Becky. Becky had her dinner, it was pizza. Now we're going to coffee. So this is her coffee. It's Christmas again. Here's your coffee.
Thank you so much. Oh, this is different.
Have you tried that before?
No, I've not. Where'd you buy this? Landers?
No, I bought that at Robinson Magnolia, yung grocery store nila.
Okay.
So you open the first one, which is the coffee.
This one. Okay. Where do you open this?
In the middle.
Yeah. Uy.
We're gonna let Becky do her coffee now. Because usually Carmina does it for her.
Eh.
Okay.
Dami.
Yes, it's a lot. And then you mix it. And then you open the other one.
Is it done? Ay. It is new. Hindi ko to nakikita sa doon sa Robinsons na namin. Or else I don't really look at look for it or look at it.
Yeah, that's just sprinkle.
Meron pa?
I think that's all of it.
Yeah. Okay na.
There. So that's how your coffee looks like, guys. You're going back to Christmas again.
This
They
is
will-
different. No.
We will ask the coffee lover. Because Becky's the coffee lover.
Yeah. There. Okay na. Wait lang ah.
It's hot.
It's good.
Okay.
It's good.
So when Becky is drinking her coffee, I will let her try this pistachio wafer cookie that Carmina's letting Becky try. Go ahead and try it.
This one?
Yes.
Ah, ito.
Yeah.
Wow.
See? So would you spend buying the chocolate bar?
No.
That's so expensive?
Marok.
Yeah.
Where did you buy this?
And SNR. That time it was buy one get one free for 199 pesos for the can. See?
Masarap. It's good. Ano ulit yung palaman niya?
Pistachio cream and chocolate.
Sarap.
See? Bye bye, Becky.
Bye! Thank you for everything, for being, such a good host. I ate, I drank coffee, everything.
Yeah.
I never miss anything when I come here. And I truly am so thank you. Thank you for everything. Till I meet you again. Bye-bye.
Carmina purchased the garlic toast at the original Bizcocho house in Iloilo during her vacation. This is how it looks like in the package. It's individual pack. This is how it looks like, guys. The garlic toast. What matches well with garlic toast is pasta. Cook any type in your home and enjoy your meal for today on a Monday. Hello everyone, it's merienda time here in the Philippines. Well, Carmina is thinking of eating some apple turnover from French Baker. This is how it looks like, taking it out from the package. Okay, this is how it looks like when you slice it up in the middle. This is one of Carmina's favorite ice cream for now. And let's see what I'll be doing with it. Carmina will be eating her apple turnover the American way by adding some scoop of ice cream on top. Okay, this is my dinner. This is pork chop steak with rice, which is actually caramelized onion on a pork chop. Hawaiian toast strawberry, white chocolate, and there's also ube here at SNR, and that is the price. Today I went to SNR. I did here's my grocery haul. This is my favorite Creative Gourmet. It is pink dragon fruit chunks, and lychee is what I add to my smoothie. Okay, my other item is broccoli that you also add to your drink as well. Did anyone grow up eating this kind of pizza roll? Well, this is one of my favorite, and it was on sale at SNR today. Here's the instructions how to cook it. You can use the oven, the microwave, or the air fryer. Cooking it in the air fryer, and you'll see what it is. It's a snack that I always eat when I was in my childhood days. And during that time, we don't have an air fryer yet, or I think it didn't exist at that time. We only use an oven or a toaster oven. Now it's cooked. On the package, it says 200 and then cook it for 4 minutes. This is how it looks like. It's quite easy. Okay, it was not cooked yet, so we will cook for additional 5 more minutes. Okay, let's check if it's already cooked. And this is how it looks like. Cooked for 9 minutes total. All you have to do is put aluminum foil, and it's easy to clean. You just take it out and you're done already. Then Mom Violi requested for her blueberry muffin at S&R that she always eats for breakfast. This is my favorite bread that I always eat and make a sandwich. Also drink cowhead lactose milk and add it to our smoothie. Make a sandwich bread out of tuna if you want to, or make it into a different dish. Now I'm going to Landers. I purchased some egg today. Carmina prefers buying her meat at Landers. It's inexpensive there. Oh, here is the price so you can see it for the pork riblets. Then pork sukiyaki. Of course, our chicken leg and thigh fillet. It's easy to cook and don't have any bones anymore. Then Mom Violi requested for a Clorox for her home. Sometimes we treat ourselves, and this is my favorite. This is Choco Malos. It's just like a s'mores. The only difference, you don't heat it up in the fireplace. And my favorite is also the sun chips. Haven't eaten this for a long time. It's fresh French onion flavor. And going on to the drinks, Chill Pop is actually a soda, and the flavor is lychee, which is really yummy. And I use coconut water for my smoothie, and my also favorite is cranberry juice. This is what I normally eat for breakfast. It's chilled taho. Instead of getting it from a person who sells it in the street, Carmina just gets the one from Landers that's already pre-made and is in a set. Have you guys tried Spam Chicken? It's also a new product. And bought some soup and some spices. Of course, Carmina purchased rotisserie chicken and some marbled potatoes, onion, and carrots, and cook something out of this as well. Do you also like drinking ginger tea? This is what Carmina drinks and the brand, and you can purchase this at the Korean grocery store. All you have to do is add water and get a scoop of how much you want to put to have your ginger tea, and stir it, and it's ready to drink. This is another product that I also eat during breakfast time. It's Butterball Turkey Breakfast Sausage Link. Here is the instructions how to cook the turkey breakfast sausage links. How do you like eating your breakfast sausage? Today is cheese omelet. There's another way how to eat it. You can just put it on the bread and then add sunny side up egg or any egg of your choice to make a sandwich. And then you can add some ketchup or whatever dressing you want for your meal.